Yo, what's good YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be showing the funniest void moments I've found or recorded. So now that's being said, let's get into it.
Really gotta get to the packing, the smacking, and the violating.
Bro. Bro.
Get ready to let brother go home.
This nigga sleeping.
Oh hell no, that shit was not funny. Now I am really gonna get to the packing, the smacking, and the violating on your fat ass. Your grandfather was a professional ADHD kid capturer. He physiologically captured them in an unending genjutsu and then beat them with his infinity gauntlet, and they were all sounding like weird, sophisticated biological ducks. I killed your grandma on the day of D-Day in Normandy with an impulse grenade. She later tried popping a chug and I hit her with a boogie bomb and lasered that bitch with a tactical SMG.
Bro, what are you
Say a
saying,
joke, my nigga.
bro? This nigga said,
say a joke, my nigga.
Bro. Get the fuck out.
Say a joke, my nigga.
Say a joke. Your mom was a bitch, bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Say a joke, my nigga.
Bro,
Say a joke, my nigga.
Dead, bro. That's my joke. Laugh, babe.
Bro, this shit's funny, bro. I know
This game is trash, bro. What the fuck?
Oh, you nasty ass bastard!
This nigga is having sex in Roblox, bro. Is that sex? Having sex. Bro, he's fucking, bro. He's fucking, bro. Yeah, get that dick.
Good bitch, straight like that. You just straight bitch, dog.
Oh, threesome. Let's go.
Shut up, I suck your dick, my nigga. Fuck what you talking about, dead ass. Shut up, I grab your dick with my lips.
Alright.
You wanna grab my dick with your lips, bro?
Photo. No. Hi.
Okay.
Get the fuck out of here, nigga.
Okay, another psych.
$19 Fortnite call.
Man, stop playing with me. I tell y'all I wasn't. Oh my god, what the hell is that, nigga? What music is that? What music is that, my nigga? What music is this, my nigga? What music is this?
Nigga, shut your faggot ass up, you thought I couldn't yell, shut your bitch ass up. Now I'm gonna get the bag of your faggot ass coming about 2 a.m. in the morning time and I suck them up in the back of the neck. Long dick style. Shut your bitch ass up, you mad as shit, coming about the baggage. Shut up, nigga, you have to be quiet because you live in a small ass house, 1 bedroom apartment, your mom.
Got 2 controllers that have e-sex with you, nasty bitch. Your ass just beat your meat with peroxide and Clorox wipes, you nasty ass nigga. And you know what you do after that, bitch? You eat that motherfucker, you fat ass nigga. You nasty neck ass nigga.
Run that back.
Fuck is your bitch and I fucking her bed.
Because that joke is horrible, nigga. Open your mouth. When you speak to me, speak with your chin up like it's picture day. Bitch ass boy, and I fuck your mom long dick style. Stop playing with me, faggot ass boy. Now I'm gonna cut the shit out of your faggot ass. Fuck is you talking about? You just got comboed by Marski. Marski Salarski, bitch ass boy. You mad as shit because I smacked your mom in the back of the neck with a piece of ham and that bitch turned into a ham sandwich. Instead of saying, unless she was a Thanksgiving chicken, faggot bitch. She's not a fucking turkey, she's a fucking chicken. Faggot boy, shut your bitch ass up. Your mom is allergic to chickens. Your mom has sex with this kid and Arnold Schwarzenegger behind a Toy Story Pizza Planet truck yelling, yeah, get to the pizza! Yeah! And a fucking pepperoni slipped up her ass and she puked out a fucking booger. Bitch ass boy, shut your bitch ass up. Fuck is you talking about? You just got comboed. Open your mouth. Bitch ass boy, long dick style.
Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? Character body built ass boy, you really stinky as shit. Fuck is you talking about, boy?
My nigga, your father is an unlocked character in NBA Live 06. My nigga, you're ugly as shit.
No like shit, boy. You like the original 2K character you get when you first make your part character on 2K20, you dirty bitch. Fuck you talking about, boy?
My nigga, your barber did a brawlhalla combo on your hairline. Down light, upright, neutral light, sig.
No like shit, boy. Like you got lined up with an Exacto Nice and a Doritos Locos Taco like shit, boy. Your shit slanted as fuck. Fuck you talking about? White
My
X.
nigga, oh, you ugly as shit, boy. Your barber is the lightning thief. He edged you up with a Percy Jackson book, my nigga. You ugly as
No
shit.
like shit, boy. You get half off on your haircuts because your fucking hairline in the middle of your head like shit, boy. Your shit ugly as fuck.
My nigga, you downloaded BitTorrent and pirated FL Studio to make hentai sampled dubstep. My nigga, you weird as shit.
No like shit. You ugly as hell. You like you write down answers on the back of your hand and then put your shit in water and press that shit up against the top of the fucking roof, you dirty bitch. Look up with a pair of binoculars. You mad ugly. I don't wear none of you, nigga. You are dirty as shit.
My nigga, you stupid as fuck, bro. Your mama spit on the wall, got food crumbs on it, and you licked it, and she said, you Fucking
Huh?
ugly ass nigga.
No,
Look at
like
that,
shit, boy. You are ugly as shit.
I got the stick on my hip, I'ma bust that. Freaky little bitch on the lick on my nutsack. Shacking the pain back, you down, I'ma dunk that. Bitch, I go to school high as hell, so I flunk that. Bitch, I go to school high as fuck off the Zaza. Bitch, I'm in your crib, finna fucking your mama. I'm slamming the pluggy, disappearing, tada. This shit getting boring, I'm switching the flow up. Bitch, ass nigga, stop playing with me. On game. Let me fuck. Man, fuck that. I got the stick on my hip, I'ma bust that. Freaky little bitch on the lick on my nutsack. Shacking the pain back, you down, I'ma dunk that. Bitch, I go to school high as hell, so I flunk that. Bitch, I go to school high as fuck off the Zaza. Bitch, I'm in your crib, finna fucking your mama. I'm slamming the pluggy, disappearing, tada. This shit getting boring, I'm switching the flow up. I pop me a perky, bitch, I'm finna throw up. And you're like a virgin, bitch, I'm giving no fuck. I'm fucking an African, she got Ebola. And little bitch, I got shooters.